Center for Success Network. We are back with more growing seeds with Andrea. And I just want to talk a little bit this week during our virtual protest about how important it is to think of ways that you can bring yourself really directly into your local community and support the community instead of large, huge institutions. And growing food is a really cool way to do that. So hopefully you are seeing a little bit of sprouting of seeds in what you've started. If not, they're coming, I promise. Some seeds take longer than others. But when you start to put your focus and purchase things from local gardens or buy your own plants and grow them at home, you're bringing more funding into the economy, into your neighborhood, and you're supporting local growers, local farmers, and supporting really people in your community, which is amazing. So we are growing a couple different things here at my house. This is a raspberry bush that we got a couple years ago, and it has gotten bigger and bigger and bigger every year. We're going to have to replant it into the ground soon, but it really gives us sweet, delicious raspberries a little bit later in the summer. You can see on here that it's starting to get flowers, and those are where we're going to see raspberries grow. We also have a cucumber that was from the seed kit that we started, and so this little cucumber is going to be growing big and tall. We'll have to replant that as well. This is a tomato plant that's starting, it's probably tripled in size over the last couple weeks. We have a rosemary and a basil. We love to cook with fresh herbs, and so that's ways to really flavor your food and make it a little more exciting to eat. And then we have a mint down here as well, which is really good. You can make refreshing drinks with it. You can also chop mint and put it in your salads or on fruit, and it really makes it exciting. So find somewhere local that you can support, you can buy food from, or you can buy seedlings from. Our awesome seeds came from Growing Pontiac, which has some great beds in Pontiac that you can go to. You can learn more about growing, and you can also take some seedlings home with you to put into your garden. Our Detroit friends, there are many organizations throughout Detroit, and we'll tag a few in the comments so that you can see where you could drop by to buy seeds, to learn more, or even get some great dirt for your gardens.